The do's and don'ts of chilling a beer glass. Beer served in a chilled glass tastes really refreshing, and chilling a beer glass seems pretty easy. You can do this by placing a glass inside the freezer for about 30 to 60 minutes, or simply putting ice cubes in water and pop it for a few minutes. Frosting a beer glass looks easy to do, but this delicate procedure can't be done by many. This is why we want to share some tips to chill your beer glass properly. Here are the do's of chilling a beer glass. Number 1. Make sure your beer glass or mug is perfectly clean. Soap residues or unwanted particles might get incorporated with the beer once poured, and it will result in an unpleasant taste. That's really disappointing. Number 2. Wipe with a lint-free towel. When you go for a room temperature glass, wipe it with a lint-free towel before using it to avoid unwanted particles getting mixed. Number 3. Check it from time to time. When you put a glass in the freezer, make sure to check it from time to time. Take note of this so that the beer glass won't get frozen. Number 4. Open and close the freezer door often. Want that nice frosted look? Then, try opening and closing the freezer door often. Warm air can get inside to build a nice layer of ice crystals. Number 5. Place your beer glasses in a vacant area. Overcrowding might stop glasses from properly frosting, and the chilling process will be interrupted. The beer glasses should have enough space so they won't touch other things. So, it's good to put them on a flat shelf, rack, or door shelf. Number 6. Use thick and sturdy glass. Use glasses such as beer mugs and pilsners so they won't break or crack. Now, let's proceed to the things you should not do when chilling a beer glass. Number 1. Do not allow your glasses to reach the freezing point. No matter what you do, do not allow your glasses to reach the freezing point. This might result in a foaming issue due to the rapid release of carbon dioxide. It can also cause an interruption in your pouring because the beer might overflow. There's also a chance that your beer glass may get stuck in your freezer and break. Number 2. Don't just pour any kind of beer into a frosted glass. There are beers that are best enjoyed at room temperature, and some are best chilled, like ales, lagers, and pilsners. Surely thirst-quenching. Number 3. Some beers can't be placed in a freezer. This is because they're served in stemmed glasses, which have a high risk of breaking. This should really be avoided. Number 4. Don't put the glass on the frozen surface. You'll be challenged to get it out because it might get stuck. Be careful of that. Number 5. Never put a hot beer glass or mug in the freezer. The temperature difference can cause glasses to break. You might be wondering what you need and how you will achieve a frosted mug. Then keep watching. How to achieve a frosted mug. Method 1. Freezer. The first method, you need a freezer. Yeah, obviously. Put your beer glass in a freezer and be mindful of its duration. Check from time to time to see if the glasses are frosting. Method 2. Ice and water. Another method is through ice and water. You need this to achieve a frosted mug faster. It has already been pointed out that wetting the glass will help with the condensation. So, why not just put ice and water in the glass to make it frost faster? Method 3. Wet paper towel. This may sound confusing, but this is just as effective as the other ones. Trust me, paper towels are damp, so it provides an air temperature buffer that helps fasten the evaporation and condensation processes. Oh, science! Method 4. Vodka. Another thing is vodka. But wait up, you're not mixing the beer with vodka. You'll coat the glass with vodka. Who would have thought that a prominent liquor can help make a glass frosty? Simply pour the chilled vodka into your glass for about half or a quarter. When the frost is forming, pour the vodka back on its bottle. Method 5. Portable glass froster. A cool innovation that lets you frost your glass in just seconds. This one is pretty convenient since you just have to spray liquid carbon dioxide directly into the glass. Very convenient, right? Now you can make your own frosted beer glass at the comfort of your home. Who wouldn't love a chilled, refreshing beer? You never know. Maybe you'll like it so much that you'll never want to go back to drinking beer any other way. Have you learned a lot from this video? If you liked it, please do give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Advanced Mixology.